Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally and I'm at Diggers and Dealers in Kalgoorlie for their 2026 Mining Forum, catching up with an old friend of the Roadhouse in Scott Williamson, these days of Horizon Gold. So Scotty, Horizon Gold, just recently you've put out a feasibility study. I think all the numbers looked all right. Can you run us through them?
Yeah, thanks Wally. It's great to get out our definitive feasibility study, which is based on open pit mining for 10 years, so restarting the Gum Creek Gold Project, producing about 100,000 ounces per annum, some great numbers, NPV of $1.3 billion on a 350 mil capex, so very strong return on investment at today's gold prices. Yeah, so it's a great announcement and a really big milestone, and we thank all of the team for getting that into the market and now looking to the build phase.
Not a bad time to jump in with the company when they've gone beyond all the early stuff and at this important stage. So you're there to bring them through the next slide.
Yeah, my background in mining engineering and capital markets, I can now build the team out, build a mine, build a gold company. So yeah, really looking forward to that next phase, and what a great time to be doing it. One of the best times I've seen in the WA gold fields. Capital is there, great opportunity, great gold price. So yeah, might as well get cooking and get on with it.
All right, so you didn't rest on your laurels, so to speak, with the release of the study. There was a bit more news came out since then.
Yeah, so we announced a great hit at Kingfisher yesterday, 25 metres at 5.3 grams per tonne. From an open pit, so yeah, that's a great result. Just shows you the high grades in the Gum Creek greenstone belt, and we think there's a lot more of that to be found. So we're currently drilling 80,000 metres. We think we can add to our 2.3 million ounces.
All right, that's looking good. So that was that bit of drilling. So obviously you're going to be out there with the drill bit spinning again. What do we expect to hear up to the end of the year?
Yeah, regular updates on the exploration, but also pushing into that build phase. So things like early works, long lead items, expanding our camp and building the team out. So all of those early pre-FID announcements over the next 6 to 12 months, and then in the new year looking at the build phase.
And so we're at that stage where it's not just out there drilling these days. This is where the hard work really begins, isn't it? The real nuts and bolts of the whole operation start to get put together.
Yeah, and I think that's what the market really needs. They want to see that we're going to build this, and that's what's going to drive the re-rate. Once we get this mine into production, driving strong free cash flow, we won't be trading at these levels for long.
All right, no worries. Well, you're obviously a busy man. I'll let you get back to it. So you're getting a lot of traffic up and down here on the here at your booth. Definitely. And this has been the first opportunity I've had to tap you on the shoulder. You've been busy every time I come past.
Yeah, it's good to be loved again, and this is the first time we've been at Diggers and Dealers at Horizon Gold. So yeah, it's great to be here, and a lot of interest, and looking forward to the next phase.
All right, mate. Good to speak. Good to catch up, and see you again soon.
Thanks, Wally.